Hi, welcome to my first PC build on YouTube, and in this build I'll be using a RTX 3060 with a 7700X CPU from AMD, and I'll be running that on the X670E motherboard from MSI. The power supply for this build is going to be a 850 watt MSI power supply, and the RAM is just a slower kit, but it should be fine for this build. It's a DDR5 from T-Force. It should run perfectly on this build. And for the SSD, I'll be using the Silicon Power NVMe SSD. It's a 2TB version. It runs fine in my build, so I think it should run fine in this build. If you see any compatibility issues, let me know down in the comments. Give me all the hate you have. Please let me know. I need to know everything so I can get this rig into its best form. And if you notice, I'm using a AIO for this build. It's a ID cooling SL240Y. And I'm wondering how it compares to the Kraken from NZXT. So if you're wondering too, watch this video. I'll have it up and running by the end of it. For the PC case, it's a Hydrangea blue from Thermaltake, and it's big enough for this build. And I was just really wondering how a different color would look from the other PC cases out there. There's not really one that looks like this out there. I've only seen white and black versions. That's about it. And I'm wondering how this will look at the end of the build. If you're wondering too, just come and watch, and I'll try to spice up this video a little bit more instead of just lo-fi pop in the background. That's what I've noticed in the other videos at least. But yeah, if you like this video, subscribe. I don't know, and like. So yeah, if you're interested, just keep watching.
You're a part-time lover and a full-time friend. The monkey on your back is the latest trend. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but
I'll kiss you on the brain in the shadow of the train. Kiss you all starry-eyed, my body swinging from side to side. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but
here is the church and here is the steeple. We sure are cute for two ugly people. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but
the pebbles forgive me, the trees forgive me. So why can't you forgive me? I don't see what anyone could see in anyone else but
I will find my niche in your car with my MP3, DVD, rumble pack guitar. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but Up, up, down, down, left, right, be a start. Just because we use cheats doesn't mean we're not smart. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but
you are always trying to keep it real. I'm in love with how you feel. I don't see what anyone could see in anyone else but
we both have shiny, happy fits of rage. You want more fans, I want more stage. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but
Don Quixote was a steel-driving man. My name is Adam, I'm your biggest fan. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but
squinched up your face and did a dance. Shook a little turd out of the bottom of your pants. I don't see what anyone can see in anyone else but you. But you.
sorry about that. I had to make sure the corners were all screwed in perfect because my hands wouldn't fit in these little corners and I couldn't hold the camera at the same time. I'm sorry about that. Right now I'm just screwing in the screws for the motherboard right now. I'm trying to do it with one hand as much as I can. I'm trying to get as much footage as I can in the video. You don't want to over churn these. You don't want to accidentally stripe or like accidentally break your board. So I'm just gonna go for the edges first, then I'll do the middles. Hopefully this isn't a horrible camera experience. I'll just cut to the end result. Now that the easy part's done, I'll be moving on to the power supply. I pre-wired it. I should have not. I should have waited, but it's fine. But yes, next is the power supply, and this will be the cable management part of the video, I guess.
looks great so far, so that's great. We're installing Windows Home, so that should be fine. I still have to install all the driver settings, so yeah, it turned out pretty fine. Now we'll wait for the Windows install. And then I can mess with the RGB. Hopefully I can be able to control that too. Sorry for the very rundown video, but I'm in a time crunch here, so I'm trying to record everything I have before running out of space on my phone. So yeah, this is the review.